Okay, we've got this taken out in here, rounded out good. Taking it out in the back here. You can see we're taking this out. Down through here, we're taking some out. So now our eye's going to fit okay. And it will stick out a little bit, which is what we wanted. You can see that's what we wanted with the eye. So the eyes are done. So the head just needs a really good sanding now. Then we'll be ready to seal it. So this is, like I said, this is already, we just need a real good sanding on it here to get all these marks and stuff off of it. We're going to take some of this off in here. And we're going to go ahead and put our eye hook that goes up here. We'll get that in before we put our neck pieces in, so it's easier to put it in before that. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments or any suggestions, put it in my comment section. Well, thanks for watching.